Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. On the 24th day of April 2025, India saw a tragic incident happen in the Pahalgam area of Kashmir, or we can say Jammu and Kashmir, where a group of terrorists killed around 24 people and tried to create ruckus and riot-like situation in India. But our citizens, our political leaders, our opposition parties all came together and protested against these terror attacks and demanded the government to take action. On May 7, 2025, the government started and launched an operation named Operation Sindoor, where they attacked the terrorist camps in Pakistan, due to which Pakistan retaliated on 8 May and targeted civilian areas. And this back and forth of attacks continued until May 10th and May 13th, until America decided to intervene in the matter of two nations and tried to make a ceasefire agreement between them. But the very next day, the ceasefire agreement was signed, and the DGMOs of both the nations decided to stop firing at each other. Pakistan attacked again, and India retaliated again. But after a few days, India decided to act maturely and said, Prime Minister came on national TV and addressed the nation saying that India will not tolerate any acts of terrorism, and nor will it consider terrorism as a proxy war, but it will consider terrorism as an actual war, and any acts of terrorism in future will be considered an act of war and they will be dealt accordingly. These warlike situations between India and Pakistan, with God's mercy and India's maturity, ended very soon without any large number of faculties and any economic strain. But what is happening in Gaza since October 2023 is devastating. Thousands and hundreds of people, including children, women, and other living beings, have lost their life in the culpable homicide, and we can say the genocide conducted by Israel in killing the Palestinian people in large numbers. I have tried to make 3 videos on it, and we in each video hope that Israel and Palestine come at a ceasefire agreement and they live peacefully. But what all started 74 years ago didn't end, and it gradually and slowly Israel erased 90% of population of Gaza. After that, Israel attacked Lebanon and other Middle Eastern countries, and when it attacked Iran, Iran retaliated back. Iran hit the Tel Aviv area and other regions. In reaction, Israel attacked Iran's nuclear facility, and then Iran started to test nuclear weapons. There has been a back and forth heating argument between Israeli leader Netanyahu, Iranian Supreme Leader Khomeini, and Donald Trump. Donald Trump has decided to intervene again in a war-like situation between two countries who aren't even close to America again. But still, it's a old habit of America to intervene in wars they have no relation with. And Trump has openly challenged the Supreme Leader of Iran that he knows where he is hiding and he will not attack him until and unless they surrender. But Iran has other plans. They want to end this genocide and make Israel learn a lesson. But what about all these war situations going on in the country? Along with that, we saw around 200 people die in a plane crash in Ahmedabad due to technical failure. We saw many flights returning from Bali and Indonesia because of volcanic eruptions. This is a time of deep thinking that not only human nature but also our Mother Earth is not well. We have hurted it for a long time, and now it's time for it to take revenge and heal again. So we should consider it as a sign of being a good person, trying to preserve and protect the nature. And also we should not spread misinformation and take sides in any world-like situation until and unless we know the truth. And I'll make another video on the climate change in Delhi and the different types of weathers we are facing in a month. Some days it's raining, some days it's scorching heat, some days it's humidity, and some days it's dry. So we'll make another video on it. Until then, watch this video, watch my other 3 videos on Israel and Palestine conflict. I decided not to make a brief video on Operation Sindoor because I don't have reliable sources yet, but we'll try to make detailed videos soon. So until then, subscribe to my channel, like my video, and comment what I've missed and what you want me to do. Until then, bye bye, Allah Hafiz, Assalamu alaikum.